Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You will see a different background behind me. That's because I'm in Abbeville, South Carolina, where my siblings live. We came up here for the weekend, the kids and I and my mom and dad. Nick is at a men's retreat, so we took the opportunity to come up here. So I thought, since I had shown you guys my sister Erica's place last fall when I was here, that was before they got married. They're renting this place. But they've since obviously got married and moved into it, and they've made it into a beautiful home, and I wanted to show it to you guys. I think it's absolutely adorable. I'll show you at least the first main level, and I also thought I would show you guys my other sister Kara's house that she's renting as well. So as you come into the main front door here, they have a living room area, which is super cute. She added a rug here just to kind of cozy up space, and she loves a more boho mid-century vibe, a bit like me, but even more boho, I would say. So obviously they're working with, you know, what they have, and the house is so cute the way it is. If you do want to see a little bit more of what it looked like before, I will insert the video in the description box. So I'll show you guys from the opposite end. This is what it looks like. There's the front door. I love this little console table. That is from Target. She has a beautiful fiddle-leaf fig here, which is a little smaller than some, which I think is actually kind of unique because I usually see the trees bigger. So that's really cute. And I'm sure this stuff is from her wedding, which was actually harvested right here, South Carolina. And here is Dallas and Erica. Erica's my youngest sister, for those of you curious. So I'll now take you over to the dining room area. They have real hardwood floors here, and she has this white table paired with the black chairs, which looks very sharp. And she has a wall shelf there, as well as this pretty Monstera Delicioso. Looks like a new leaf just came out, actually a couple of them. And then I love the art that she has up here on the shelf, along with a snake plant. Feels very boho to me, which I love. And then moving back into the back corner, they have a little den area that they hang out in. This is an Ikea sofa, which turns into a bed. She said the boys can sleep here, which is really cute. And they've got a screen here. Those two doors, there's an office and a laundry room. Coming back out here. She has this as the guest bedroom, and fun fact, Mom just had a fit. She was like, no way. If you guys are from maybe my mom's generation, you'll recognize this, and even older. This is literally like a very like vintage coverlet, throw, quilt, whatever you want to call it. She found it at Goodwill the other day, or thrift store, for $5. I am like wishing I would have this one for some of my staging stuff that I want to do. So cute. And then she painted this arch here on the wall, kind of acts as like a headboard. And she's got a palm here in the corner, which totally brightens up the space. And also has the same picture from Hobby Lobby that I do. I think it just fits in very well with this Cute little nightstand there. And then she has this shelf here along with a mirror on the wall, and she doesn't have it quite finished yet, she said, so I think it's very cute. I love these rattan shelves. So that is the guest bedroom. And then the lighting is a little funky on my camera, I feel like. This is their bathroom. They did paint in here. She has a little picture there, and the vanity, and then the toilet area over here. So that concludes the tour from the downstairs area. Upstairs they have their master bedroom and bathroom, and then another guest room as well. You happy to be here, Jackson? We were so tired of traveling. Hey babe, what are you doing? He's just exploring. So us Floridians are actually a little cold. I literally did not even think to check the temperatures this weekend. It was so hot in Florida, like 80s, 90s, pretty warm. And I just assumed that it's kind of the same here, but it's actually like in the 60s today of all things. And I packed like one sweater for me for Sunday, but I did not pack anything for the kids. I think we're gonna have to go thrifting or something to find them a couple jackets. I think it's supposed to warm up over the weekend, but I guess next time I'll check the weather. Even if I think it's, you know, almost the same temperatures, I will check it next time. Show you her garden back here. I'm pretty proud of her. She's got a bunch of corn there, some zucchini. I'm not sure what all the different things are. Tomatoes, I think. She's got some mint tea back there, the kind that we like to make. Well, hello there. You gonna come near me? So we're now at my sister Kara and Grant's place, my brother Grant, for those of you new. So I'll show you around just a little bit. The kids are outside exploring. Kara's making us some coffee. I'm feeling very tired. We slept at a motel last night, and I had the kids sleeping in the same room with me, which I'm kind of a light sleeper, so I didn't sleep the best. Not that they necessarily woke me up, it's just like I would just like continually wake up, so I'm not feeling the perkiest this afternoon. So Kara's making Dad and I some coffee. Alright, so coming in the front door here, and it's a little 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So this is her little living room area, which is really cute. And swivel around it this way. She's got a tree over there in the corner. So fun fact about her sofa here, it's a navy blue like a velvet. And she found it at the thrift store, you guys, for $50. Now, she did have to buy some legs to put on it. There were no legs on it. But unbelievable good find. So she also has a shelf above there, as you can see. Has a cute little chair over here and a pillow as well. I recognized some of the things in here because I had given her some things that I wasn't using. Pillows, some art, some different things. So I think this is really cute in here. This rug is actually same as Erica's, but it's got fringes on it. I think these are all like, I don't know, probably Rugs USA or something like that. You can find this one. But I love her little stand here. She's got a cute little ottoman. Kind of ties in all her colors in here, which is really, really cool. I love that. So I'll swivel around that way. So out here, her kitchen. It's a pretty small kitchen, but it's got a nice covered space. And she's got a little pedestal there with a plant. She would like to put like a rolling island or something here because they don't have a dining table, but she says they don't eat just a ton right now anyway. They're kind of like hit and miss, her and my brother. So yeah, really cute. And take you into her bedroom. It's kind of a work in progress, she said. It's really cute though. She has, actually there's the plant I brought up for her. She wanted this white bird of paradise. Anyway, this is an air mattress because mom and dad are gonna be sleeping here this weekend. So very cute. Do you guys recognize this one? That was also my old one. And I don't know, I really like the boho vibes in here. She has a cute wall hanging over here. And then she's got a bathroom in here. The owners did update some of this. And I love her pink accents in here. So my brother's room is down here. It's right off of the living room, so it's definitely a small house, but as you can see, he's an Ohio State fan. I don't think they did too much in here, but
the bedspread is not even his bedspread, right?
Not even his. You just put it on there.
Yeah, just for company.
So anyway, there's the 2 bedrooms and cute little place here. Thanks for letting us see the house, Kara.
Not much to see.
Or letting them see the house. So she did say that she would like to get a recliner to put over here as extra seating and then move the smaller chair over in that corner. But with the door, you kind of have to be careful what you put over there. But yeah, I think it's a really cute living room. So we're in Divine Your Space. There's plants, all kinds of stuff.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.